Okay, we're gonna give you a little Walmart haul.
Sun is shining. We're gonna go have another great day.
Okay, we had lots of fun playing outside.
Are making a lot of progress, aren't we? Room by room.
Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you.
The best way to start the day. My girl, coffee.
Good morning, everyone. We're out for our daily walk to the dog park. Yeah, we're gonna have another great day. Yay!
Yeah, it's a bug. Entertainment while Mummy makes banana pancakes for Birdie. Super easy. Oh gosh, I burnt the bottom of the pan too, but super easy. It's just banana, 1 egg, and some oats, and then I add in cinnamon, and then on top just add whatever you like. We're gonna do berries today and some Greek yogurt. Birdie loves it. And Mummy has her oatmeal bowl per usual. She has her cute little outfit on she got as an early birthday gift from my auntie cousin. It's so cute. The pink overalls are adorable. Breakfast is served for the princess. Got her feeling happy bib on today. We're gonna have a great day. Yummy, you got your strawberries, your yogurt, your pancakes. Delicious. Mmm, yummy.
Cheers, I'm enjoying my coffee while Birdie naps. And if you love organization videos, you're gonna wanna stick around. I've said in a few previous vlogs that we're going to be moving. We're not exactly sure when. It'll be within the next few months. So I really want to get ahead of things because
we have a lot of trips coming up and family visiting and Birdie's first birthday.
And so I want to just make sure that I stay on top of things, because when you're in a small place, things can accumulate pretty quickly, and especially with the little one. So I'm gonna try to tackle like little areas of our home each day. So today I really want to dive into Birdie's clothes. She has a lot of them and it's hard to part with some of them because they're just so cute, but I know we have so many and there's lots that could be given to a new home. So we're gonna start with that today. We're gonna start with clothes, and then I really wanna do our closet this week. I wanna go through our kitchen, like honestly everything. So stay tuned for all of the cleaning and organizing.
Okay, this is what we're working with here. This box has all of the clothes that she's moving into, so the next size up. And this is like her little change station area here. So a lot of these clothes she's outgrown. She's outgrown all those. So I'm just gonna make a pile of what we're gonna keep and what we're gonna donate, and start with this because there's a lot. This is the update so far. It looks like a mess, but it's organized in my brain. This is what we're keeping. These clothes she has not grown into yet. This is my donation pile so far. I'm making a dent in it. Those clothes I'm gonna pack away for future babies. Okay, we're getting there, slowly but surely.
Throw your things away tonight, we'll go a different way.
All of the clothes with birds on them that she no longer fits. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, this is my bag of clothes that I'm packing up that she doesn't fit anymore. And then this is the donation pile that is growing. Diaper area is complete. I
I have my bag for donations. And this is what we're working with at the moment here. Just have a little area at the front of our condo. Princess! Hi! Hi, princess! You had a good nap? Beautiful girl. Hi, my love. Hi, sweetie pie. The sun is shining. We're gonna go have another great day. I love your smile. This is next up on my list to tackle. It's our front closet. There's not too much stuff in here, but I want to take everything out. I want to vacuum in there and then go through the coats and bags and see if there's anything else we can add to our donations. Peanut was playing with all my things when I was getting ready this morning in the bathroom, so maybe we'll go through and organize this drawer after because she got into all of the hair supplies. My little assistant.
Another day, I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah, with the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah.
Okay, and just like that, we have a organized, clean closet. I'm getting rid of just a few things here. I have so many reusable shopping bags. I need to throw out those gloves. I need to ask Blair about those shoes because he hasn't worn them in years. Getting rid of that purse and then the sunglass holder, so that's also going to go to donations / garbage. We are making a lot of progress, aren't we? Room by room. So this is what's on the menu. Birdie's having some ground beef with peas and carrots and pureed tofu. She really likes it, and she's having some pieces of taco. And then I'm having one of those wraps that we prepped on Sunday. If you haven't watched that previous vlog, make sure to go watch it. Eating our lunch. And then we're gonna go outside after. Yeah, we're eating our lunch together. That's Mummy's. All right, let's get to eating. Lunch was a hit. Now Mummy's gonna clean up and then we are going to head to the park. Yeah, we're gonna head to the park. Mummy has to clean up. Gotta clean up the floor. Got food all over. Put away our dishes and then we can head out. Birdie's looking at me. What is this sound? Mummy's making a nice coffee to go. I'm making a nice coffee. Mummy's iced coffee is delicious. We're gonna bring granola bar that she hasn't finished. And I got some strawberries and grapes that I cut up. She loves eating these on our walk. I popped them in the tray. So we got our snacks, we got the iced coffee. Let's get our sun hat on and we're ready to go. Absolutely chillin'. Park ready. Let's get it, my girl. I already have somebody picking up that bag of clothes that I went through to donate of Birdie's stuff. So she'll be at our house in a couple hours, which is perfect. So when we're done the park, we'll have her pick up that. Yeah, we're donating your clothes. You're getting so strong. Whoa. always make it back to the water park now, don't we? Had lots of fun playing outside in the sand pit at the water park. Now we're gonna head to Walmart and grab some fruit. Birdie goes through a lot of fruit because it's such an easy snack, especially in the summer. We go through a lot, so I'm gonna restock on some fruit and then maybe grab a couple other things and some snacks. My parents are visiting this weekend, so in the upcoming vlog you will see what we get up to with them, so make sure to check that one out next week. There are so many summer things here at Walmart, and we don't have any sand toys yet, so we're gonna grab some sand toys because we'll need this for when we go to the cabin and every time we go to the park. We're always looking for something to play with. You want that? You want that? We're gonna have to bust into some crackers on the walk home. We're all about the snacks in this household. Walking back home, spent a couple hours outside. We'll give you a little mini Walmart haul when we get back. Okay, we're gonna give you a little Walmart haul. We quickly stopped off there on the way home from the park. Our intention of going there was to get some veggies, and then we needed sand toys. So we got our sand toys. This will be so much fun to play with the next time we go to the park or the beach. We bought 2 packs of these Vinta crackers. Birdie loves these. As you saw her eating them on the way home. Let's do a little cracker break here. Me and Blair are obsessed with ice cream, so I got him the half-baked, the Ben & Jerry's kind. This is his absolute favorite. Gonna pop this in the freezer because I can feel it's already melted. Had to get some buttermilk pancake mix. If you haven't seen our Denny's vlog, make sure to go back and watch our video that we posted of taking Birdie to Denny's for the first time. We were craving just like some good yummy pancakes and didn't have any of the ingredients for it at home, and the pancake mix is honestly so much better. So grab some of that for this weekend because we always like to make yummy breakfast when we're together on the weekends. These garden veggie nacho cheese chips taste exactly like Doritos. They are delicious. So we've tried this flavor once, but had to get some more of those. Some peppers because I always use these for our meal preps when we make our burritos, and I'm gonna need to have peppers for pasta that I'm making this week. Tomatoes, bananas. We go through a ton of tomatoes and bananas, so had to restock on those. Birdie's favorite fruit is watermelon. And then I got some Alfredo packs for the pasta that I'll be making this week. And then some Italian garlic and fennel plant-based sausages for the pasta. These are really yummy, and they actually have very clean ingredients too, which I like. And I've tried, I think they have like 2 other flavors. They're so yummy. So we'll be using that for the pasta as well, the Alfredo pasta. But that's our little Walmart haul. I think all of that was $52. Yeah, just stocking up on the staples. I feel like that's a lot just for a few things, but we just get some treats, right? Like our chips and pancake mix, but I feel like that's a lot. Let me know in the comments how much a quick trip to the grocery store to grab a few essentials costs you. Okay, we gotta go drop off our donation bag because we have somebody coming to pick it up. And then we gotta get you down for your second nap because you played so hard today. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, dinner time. We're gonna have our dinner. Birdie's gotten into her sand toys and she's having so much fun with them. Made Birdie some potatoes with steamed broccoli, carrots, tofu, and then she just has her leftovers there. And then I'm having leftovers too with some tzatziki sauce and tofu on top. And we'll head outside for probably one more short little walk before we have bath and bedtime. Ending the day off in her favorite place, the dog park. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and let us know in the comments what your favorite type of dog is. We will see you next week. Bye.